What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So for today I'm going to be doing a demo and a review of Miche Beauty's Intense Moisture collection, which will include a full shampoo, deep condition, and style. So I'd like to see how I loved these products and how my hair turned out. Just keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm starting off with some rough looking hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out in the sink and split it up into 4 sections to make this process easier. And then I'm just going to start the process. Okay, so first we're going to start off with cleansing our scalp and our hair. So I'm going in with the cleansed sulfate-free shampoo. As you can see, this shampoo has a pretty thick consistency, which I really liked, and here is a closer shot of that. So with this shampoo, it cleansed my hair very nice, but it didn't leave it stripped at all, and I really liked that. It had my scalp feeling definitely very clean, but still moisturized in the end. And I just really loved the consistency of it. Like, the formulation for the shampoo was amazing. Alright, so I'm just getting a nice lather on each of the 4 sections, and then I'm just going to rinse that out. And once my scalp is all clean and that is all rinsed out, I'm going to separate my first section in half and start deep conditioning. So I'm going to be using 2 different deep conditioners in this video, and the first one I'm going to be using is the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. I loved this conditioner because the consistency was perfect. It wasn't too liquidy, but also not too thick. It ran through my hair great, and my brush that I use also glided through my hair great. As I was first applying this, I wasn't too sure if it was going to have any huge impact on my hair. But I definitely saw the difference once I rinsed it out. So again, each section I'm splitting up into 2, and I'm just going to apply the deep conditioner, run my brush through, and then twist it up and make sure that it's detangled all the way down, and making sure I'm adding a little bit extra to the end because that is the oldest part of your hair. So I'm just going to do that on that entire side of my hair, and then the other side I'm going to use a different deep conditioner.
Little.
And for the other side of my head, I'm going to be using the Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner. So this one has both protein and moisture, which is nice. A lot of protein deep conditioners and masks and whatnot can be not very moisturizing, so I liked that this one kind of gave me both of those benefits. And I was also very happy because I have some protein issues. I need to incorporate protein into my hair routine more often, so I was very happy to try this one out as well. I like to slap on some extra when I'm done, like around the front of my hair, just to add a little bit extra there. And then I am going to set a timer for 20 minutes, but it actually ended up being more like an hour. And I just sat underneath a heat conditioning cap. So after letting that sit and rinsing that out, I'm going to take down my first twist, and as you can see, I was very impressed. The moisture conditioner was definitely my favorite. Like, my hair was so soft. So I'm going to split my hair in half and start doing my twists. The first product that I'm using is the Lavish leave-in conditioner. This is a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens your hair all in one. And I loved this leave-in. I am a sucker for leave-ins, especially the ones that actually work for my hair. So I'm just going to smooth that all over. Again, I loved this leave-in. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. And again, love this product as well. The consistency is great. Like if you have tight for hair and you struggle finding products, these products will work for you, I promise. So this is the consistency of that. Again, a very thick product, which is great for my type of hair. I'm going to use about that much and then rub that all over. And once I feel that my hair is nicely coated, I'm going to run my detangling brush through there as well. So again, each of those twists from my deep condition, I'm going to split into 2 as well. So I believe I have 8 twists in my hair from the deep condition, and so this is going to turn into 16 twists at the end. So again, just running my brush through. And then I'm going to be doing a 3-strand twist. I'm not going to go into detail on how I do my 3-strand because I've done it multiple times. And yeah, so I'm just going to do that, making sure that my hair is detangled as I am twisting down. And then I also added, I didn't do it for the first one, but I also added a little bit extra product to the ends just to make sure that they were all good. However, I would not recommend adding too much product because I definitely did that on a few. And so I got a little bit of like white residue on some of them that I just added way too much product. And so for the top section, again, if you've been watching me, you already know the top of my hair grows so weird. So I have to do something a little bit different up there. So I'm going to be doing flat twists. So I am going to split this little section into 3. So I'm just kind of guesstimating 3 equal parts, not using a comb or anything. And I'm just going to twist that the first 2 sections out of the way and start on this one. So I'm just going to add some water. If my hair is feeling a little bit dry, I added water when I was doing my regular twist as well. And I'm still going to go in with those same leave-in and then the twisting butter, and again running my brush through. And then I'm just going to do a flat twist going all the way down. And then once I am done adding hair, I'm just going to add a little bit more product. Again, this step was kind of unnecessary. And then run my brush through again. And then once I get to the end, all I'm going to do is add a flexi rod. So this is the size flexi rod that I use. And I'm just going to twist that around. So I'm twisting my hair around the rod in the same direction that it is twisted. So like if my twists were clockwise and I twisted it around the roller clockwise. So yeah, I just did that, wrapped it around, secured it, and then did that to the other 2 sections. This is how my hair looked after it was all set. So again, a little bit under like 16 twists total. So now the next day I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. So I'm going to be using the Polished Hair and Scalp Oil. I love me a nice simple oil. So I use this to help me take down my twists, to reduce the amount of frizz. And so I'm just going to run my fingers through and take down my first twist. And as you can see, the definition was pretty good. So I'm going to take down each of my twists individually, and then I'm going to go in and separate each strand from the 3-strand twist into a few different pieces, and just keep going until I get it at my desired look, as well as use a pick to fluff it out because I love big hair. Unfortunately, the front part of my hair where I did my flat twist were not completely dry, so yeah. But I was still able to kind of go for and get the look that I wanted with the front. I just wasn't able to do a full bang like I was planning on doing. And this was my final look. I absolutely loved it. I usually do not like my hair on the first day, but I was actually able to get definition and volume, which I absolutely loved. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. So overall, I loved every single product that I use, and I am very, very picky when it comes to products for my hair because I feel like there's way more products that are not meant for my hair versus products that are. So make sure if you want to check out some of these products that you use my discount code, which will be down in the description box. And of course, like the title says, there is a giveaway. So for the giveaway, here are the rules. Super simple and quick. So make sure that you follow the Typeform link that will be in the description box. You must be subscribed to my channel. Comment below your go-to natural hair product, and you must be following me and Miche Beauty on Instagram. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, again, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, please, especially if you want to enter the giveaway. And turn on your notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.